Yes folks, it's DX Darg time. We're back on the DXing. The Dargs are ready for it, you can see. They're totally up for it. Yeah, this guy's raring to go. Yep, and as you can see, she is just as keen and eager to get DXing. I may get a little bit more interest out of these guys, perhaps. I can't see much chance of getting this one on the air tonight. Looks like it's down to me. I'm looking on a 10 metre FM band tonight again. I've got the big Canada repeater coming in nice and strong. So I think I might just put a call through and see if anybody comes back. So yeah, I've got a signal coming in. We've got about an S9. M0YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra listening. Oops. I'll turn my power down a little bit. I'll try 100 watts, that was 200. M0YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Yorkshire, England, listening through. So all is quiet tonight. Very nice signal, so we'll just give it a few moments and see if we can get anybody else, or get anybody. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra listening through. So not much going on. I'm just moving the antenna slightly. Not much response tonight. So we've got a good signal coming in, but no takers. One last call and I'm going to try some SSB. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra listening. I might be just dropping out a little bit. So I'm just going to pump it back up, but I don't like operating too much power on FM. Well, perhaps I'll leave it at that anyway. So yeah, I think the getting across is not quite as good as the usual path that I've been getting. So let's try some HF at 10. So we've got 8 o'clock, just leaving 8 in the evening. That's 2000 04 local time, and that'd be 1904 UTC here in the shack. Just passing through Tuesday evening. So we've got a signal on 600. Let's put the radio back on the right transmitting band, part of the band. Not so busy actually, so I was dropping off a little bit. Quite surprising I heard that repeater so strong. Not surprised I'm not getting in. Nice signal there.
Alpha 3, Golf Alpha is calling CQ. Have a good one, we'll talk to you later, Manuel. Hi Steve, M1 WPKO, if we got it right, V3 Charlie Roger George. If I did, the last time we worked on here was 2014, Steve again.
So he's coming through nice, that's Brian in Canada. So yeah, that's okay, just flicking around again. And go back down to this particular station. It's a Canadian signal again. So quite good how we're getting the FM repeaters strong, and obviously SSB's just as good.
And the 10 meters was just wide open, but as it gets dark over there where you are, I guess the bend conditions.
So yeah, I'm using a Cushcraft MA5 3-element 5-band Yagi, and that's up at just around 20 feet, not very high at all. VE3 Charlie Roger George, any copy on Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra?
Okay, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. the 3 Charlie Roger George. Thanks very much for the call. Nice to hear you, Simon. Oh, well, we've only worked 20 metres and we haven't worked it.
Oops.
So, new band, new year. Give you a report on the next over, Simon, but coming through no trouble at all. Bravo, Romeo, Italy, Alpha, Nancy.
Just put my RF game back on.
The 3 Charlie Roger George. Good,
Yeah, Roger, Brian. Yeah, I'm just resetting my RF gain. I just had it set on the squelch menu. I've been trying a bit of 10 FM. But yeah, lovely to hear you, Brian, on 10 metres. And I'm surprised we've not worked before, but you are correct. We've had all our fun chatting further down on 20 metres. So very nice indeed to catch you. You're sounding great up this side. You're a solid 5x9. A really good clear copy here near Bradford. I'm just a few miles to the north in Baildon. Victor Echo 3 Charlie Romeo Golf. Hope you're doing well. You're sounding good. From Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra 59 real report over.
Yeah, very good, Simon. Well, you're a good 8, peaking occasionally 9, but pretty well hovering all the time around 8, which is pretty good. Yeah, the band's been very good in the last week or two since I've been coming on here. I was a bit late today coming on. I think I'm past the peak for you guys over there. Probably an hour or two would have been better earlier, but anyway, that's how it goes. Well, thanks very much, Simon, and you have a good one. Thanks very much for calling, and hopefully we'll work maybe on one of the other beds. I'm going to start doing a little bit on 12 soon. If not sure if your antenna will cover that, but hopefully if not, we'll work maybe on 15. 73 M0YKS, the 3 Charlie Roger George. You follow good, Sam.
Yeah, Roger, Brian, we can catch you 12 for 15 and all the other bands as well. I'll certainly look forward to listening out for you, and I'm sure we'll have a great contact on there as well. You're always a big signal. So good to get you on here. Enjoy the opening. Not sure how long it'll last, but it seems to be pretty good, so I'm sure you're going to get 1 or 2 more. Thanks for picking me up, and we'll catch up with each other soon. Victor Echo 3 Charlie Romeo Golf. Very nice to catch you, Brian, from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Best 7-3. Bye-bye.
Simon, thanks a lot. You have a good one. Cheers. The 3 Charlie Roger George.
Kilo Sierra, I believe you're 5'9" plus into Southwest Massachusetts. Name is Eric.
Yeah, thank you very much, Eric. Glad you picked me up there. You're absolutely storming across this side, Eric. My name is Simon. Nice to hear you on the band. W0 Echo Alpha Sierra. You're 5x9 plus 10 plus 15. Sounding like you sat in the shack, and the audio is really nice to listen to. Sounding absolutely crystal clear. Over.
Yeah, very good. Well, I'm using the remote station of K1TTT, K1TTT.net, and so I have him to thank for the audio coming out of his station. I have to just adjust things on my end when I change between remotes and make sure I've got all the mic gains and levels and AGC and everything tuned up. Very good. I missed your name for the log. Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, Eric. It's Simon, Sierra, India, Mike Oscar, Norway. Simon's the name. And the location this side is just north of Bradford in Yorkshire, between Bradford and Leeds, a small place called Baildon. It's on the edge of the moors, and I'm currently running about 200 watts into a 5-band Cushcraft MA5B, small 3-element Yagi, and we've got a FTDX 101 MP. Great copy, and I've worked the station before, so putting out an excellent signal, very strong indeed. Over.
Yeah, very good, Simon. Well, appreciate the compliments. They all go to David, and yeah, keeping the station together is the most difficult part about a multi station that he's got. I've operated several of those and climbed towers for several of the guys around here locally, and know it takes some effort to keep things up, not only to put it up, but to keep it up. That's the longevity of it all. So yeah, very good. Well, you're sounding really good. Your 101 is doing good, and the Yagi, so sounding very good over here. Like I said, you're 5'9" plus into Southwest Mass, and good to hear the band open to your part of the world this late at night over there. I think it's probably 10 o'clock or 10:30 or so over in your time. So you don't need much on 10 when the band's open. And working a lot of guys with just end-fed wires and the sticks and so forth here. So, and then I saw yours is 6 foot off the ground. So that's awesome. Yeah, enjoy the 10 meters while we can, I guess. And will you be in the contest at the end of the month?
Yeah, certainly will, and so will my daughter, M7 Echo Lima Charlie. She currently won it the past couple of years for the youth section, low power operator, so when I can prize her out of the hot seat, I'll be active with my call as well, Eric. But yeah, the Ag is about 18 feet, 20 feet up, but I did work stateside, I think it was either yesterday or the day before, using a 9-foot whip, tank whip. I made a quick video on that and managed to work stateside, Russia, all over the place, just on a tank whip, on the ground with a small ground plane, and we got 12 meters on that, 15 meters and 10 meters, which were quite unreal. So yeah, conditions fantastic. But you sound like I don't think you'd sound better if you were sat on in the chair at the side of me. It's absolutely superb signal, holding up with a 5.9 plus 10 there, over.
Yeah, very good. Well, this band,
it's like QSB now.
Pointed at you. Anyway, this band, he has 4 over 5 over 5 over 5 over 5 over 5 on this band. And I think I've got, how many antennas do I have pointed towards you? I've got 3 antennas pointed towards you, 180 foot over 90 over 60 at Europe right now. Go ahead.
Yeah, Roger, just got a quick QSB fade out on that, but your signal dropped, but your audio maintained the same quality. So hopefully you can still hear me, Eric. I think I've worked a friend of mine, Braden, through the station. I think he operates it sometimes, and a few other guys. Yeah, I'm sure we'll catch each other in the CQ Worldwide contest. I'm looking forward to it. It's the only real contest that I really try to do every year, and the rest of them I'm not as bothered about, but this one is a lot of fun, so I really enjoy it. So we'll probably hear you there, and with a signal like that, I'll probably get you on nearly every band, I would have thought. I usually do with that station. Catch up with you again before we lose each other, and thanks for the quick contact, Eric. Whiskey 0 Echo Alpha Sierra, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar, over.
Okay, very good. Thanks for the contact. And yes, fading out here, band may be shutting down for the night, but we'll definitely work on each band. We've got operators on every band, so except for I think 80.
Wow,
now.
Big fade.
73, thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Eric. 73, have fun. Bye-bye now. Well, the QSB certainly hit me there, but it was coming through with an awesome signal at the beginning. Nice QSO. Oscar Zulu 9 Alpha Alpha Radio, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, 59 Italy Oscar 9-3, Roger.
Roger, Simon Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, 59 Juliet Oscar 45.
Roger, Roger, nice to hear you again. You're coming through very loud, sounding great tonight. Have fun.
Roger, many thanks, Simon 7-3.
Bye-bye.
CQ satellite, Oscar 29 Alpha Alpha Radio, Oscar 29 Alpha Alpha Radio.
So yeah, just a quick blip over from HF to obviously the satellite band as I catch the back end of RS-44. It's Russian sat. I'll put a quick call and see if we can work. I'm trying to get North America. QLZ sat, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, Italy Oscar 9-3 is calling. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Italy Oscar 9-3 listening. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra from IO 93. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, Italy Oscar 93, CQ SAT. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, listening North America, over. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ SAT, listening North America, RS-44, over. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, QRZ SAT. So yeah, I was just skimming that one, obviously just about running out of the bird for me. Yeah, so I hope you're keeping up so far. That was just a quick flip over to RS-44 Russian satellite using the satellite array and the FT847. So I'm going to go back now and see what's going down on 15 meters before I finish this Tuesday night check-in from the shack.
I'm going to get a PR781 or maybe an Electro Voice or something like that, but I didn't see a point in it. You know, I figured, well, if everybody's hearing me and giving me good reports on this, well, I guess I'll just keep running with this. You know, so rather than spend a couple, $200-300 or so more dollars on a nice new microphone. But so yeah, just running the stock here, Mark. Golf Zero Delta Juliet Quebec Whiskey Uniform 9 Papa.
Nice signal. W9 Papa. We're in the G0 as well. So it sounds like he's in the same county as me. Got the same accent, almost. Or similar, not quite, but northern. So let's put the filter in there. So yeah, coming through nice from wherever the G station is. Let's just have a quick listen before I'm...
Just a moment. We're going to Listowel, Ontario, about 150 miles north of Niagara Falls, Canada. Yeah, you have a very nice signal. And yes, when I got onto your QRZ.com page, I recognized your picture, and I remember that we had made contact before. So very nice to chat with you again. Understand you're going to QSY to another frequency. I was on 10 meters and it kind of died out, so hopefully the other bands won't die out as quick. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. I'm running a HiCom 7300, 100 watts into a 3-element beam.
So yeah, nice.
50 feet
I'm just going to quickly look at 17 because I'm always interested in seeing what the bands are saying. Local time now is 2100. That's 20:00 UTC.
Yeah, luckily the band's not down yet. My name is Mike, and I am in Pennsylvania. Over.
So we've still got some great propagation, weak signals on the S meter, but the band's in nice shape, no noise, as we
KL7HRN, if the European stations will please stand by, I want to listen for any Africa or Middle East stations that I have a hard time hearing through. So if the European stations will please stand by, this is KL7HRN, listening for Africa or Middle East only.
So that's Alaska. KL7, I think he said HRN. Very nice signal.
KL7 Hotel Radio Norway, listening for any Africa or Middle East stations. QRZDX, Middle East or Africa or Western Indian Ocean. Please call KL7HRN.
I'm just going to beam the antenna over the North Pole.
QRZ Africa or Middle East, QRZDX Africa or Middle East, KL7HRN listening.
So Alaska, nice and strong.
Okay, nothing heard. QRZ Europe, Kilo Lima 7, Hotel Radio Norway.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Okay, the station was Mexico 3 in your call. The station was Mexico 3 in your call. Good one. Okay, Mexico 3, Uniform X-Ray Juliet, KL7 Hotel Radio Norway. Nice to work you for the first time. The name here is Ed for Edward, Gary, and we'll turn it back to you there. See where you're at there in the UK, KL7HRN. Back to you.
Northeast of England.
Okay, Northeast England. What is my report there? How strong is my signal there in Northeast UK?
All right, 5859. You're 5 and 6 here. 56. QSL. All right, nice to work you. Let me pick up others in the EU there, Gary. Thank you so much. Good DX to you. Mike 3, Uniform X-Ray Juliet, KL7HRN, 73.
Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. So this is going to be a tough one to bust.
Okay, the call sign is Papa Charlie 5 Delta X-Ray. My name is Jack. Juliet Alpha Charlie Kilo, and the code check is Rotterdam. You're 59.
A little bit of aurora on his signal, perhaps.
Okay, you're 15 dB over S9 here, Jack. Nice to work you for the first time. I have your call as Papa Charlie 5 Delta X-Ray. Nice suffix. This is KL7 Hotel Radio Norway, or Hotel Radio Netherlands. It would be another way of saying that suffix. You're 5.9 plus, about 15 dB over. Back to you.
So it's Ed.
Thank you very much for the flowers.
And it's 343 degrees, so I'm just slightly high. Bring it down a tad. Oh, whoops, sorry guys.
Yes, and the same to you, Jack. Nice to work to you. 73, QRZ Europe, K7HRN.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Okay, Mike 0, Golf Papa Zulu. Good morning.
Nearly. We're getting there, guys.
Turn past noon here in Alaska.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Okay, the Papa Alpha 3. All I need is your suffix, the Papa Alpha 3.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Proving to be tough. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Okay, this is KL7 Hotel Radio Norway. Listening only for Africa and Middle East.
So yeah, I've got to say goodnight to the girls.
Please, Europe, please stand by a minute.
I might come back and give it a shout in a second, but I'm being summoned, so ending the video right now with Alaska coming in on 20 meters, loud and clear. I'll probably get back on and call him in a bit. Thanks for watching. Catch up with you soon. Take care. 73.